So we are here at Alex Hill School, and we are here to actually transform this school. Let me show you around where we are going to be working. A lot to be done here, and so many things we are going to be seeing today in our new classroom transformation project. This is the all. We are not done here. Forgot to. There's something amazing that is going to be here. My name is ODETOLA Israel, and we are here to transform this school into something welcoming. The school already sets the environment to actually accommodate some of our designs, and we are just here to complement some of our designs with some of the classroom designs. We have some things put on already, and I'm going to be showing you some stuff that we have already put in place in the classroom. So I would like you to stay tuned as I'm going to be taking you through our classroom decoration project at Amuwo Odofin. Thank you very much. Welcome to our channel. So we are done. We are done transforming the school here in Amuwo Odofin Festac area, Lagos State, and we have created we have actually created a welcoming learning environment using our amazing lion. And this is wow. We have a welcome back to school board with one of our nice captions, and we also have our staircase sticker. Wonderful staircase. Let me show you around. Our skills are blooming. Solar system. And we continue. This is available in our web store, eventcut.com, just for a token. You need to visit the website to see some of our products. Our amazing lion and the bird. We have our door sticker, our door banner. Our door banner title only positive attitude beyond this point, and then also we use this by the corner of the wall to actually block the space. Title success beginning with believing you can, and another one, everyone has a chance to make a difference. So let me take you to one of the class. We have windows, and there are a lot of stickers on the windows. So I'm not sure you can see this. And this is a class. We have this banner called Learn, Explore, and Discover. Learn, Explore, and Discover. So learn, explore, and discover. This is nice. And then we have our board. First one is titled The Good Manner. Second one is titled Grow Together. And because we also have charts, we have ground rules, we have class rules, So what are the rules? Always be kind. Listen when someone is talking. Raise your hand before you speak. Use materials wisely and sensibly. Be respectful to all at all time. Be honest. And these are other motivational words for children. And also because this class is the nursery preschool, so we also have motivational instructional charts for them to use in the classroom. So this is a step that we took to create this wonderful learning environment. You can visit our website to buy some materials, and you can also call on us to come to your school for something like this. Thank you.